everyone, it's Sarah from Mindflows. From our last video, we learned how to select Monday.com as your back-end database with Softr. Now let's learn how to navigate through pages in Softr. Let's get started. First things first, in Softr, pages are like different sections or views of your app. You'll find them on the left-hand sidebar under the Pages tab. If you have multiple pages, you can easily reorder them by simply dragging each one up or down. This controls how they appear in your app's navigation. To edit a page, just click on it, click the gear icon next to the page, then go to the General tab. There, you can enter a new name and click Save. To add a page, click the plus sign, enter the page name, and click Save. Softr also allows you to control page visibility. Pages can be public, private, or only visible to logged-in users. To update visibility, go to the Visibility tab and select the option that suits your needs. And that's it! The great thing about Softr is how easy and flexible it is to use, perfect for beginners and pros. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to add blocks and edit the layout of your content. Follow us for more tips and feature updates. We're Mindflows, a certified Monday.com and Softr partner.